Cass is sleepy.
No, I'm not.
Sure about that?
Yes.
No, you're drunk, aren't you?
No. Anyway.
High on burgers? What a way to start a video. Anyway.
Yes. Hi. We're back, and I am on a sugar crash. So I should be better at this. I just messed up those words. I should be a better. Anyway, so I wrote down some names of characters who we really, really like, or comrades, or each other. And we're gonna have to pick. What? And we're gonna have to pick.
Don't tell me you didn't see that.
I didn't. We have to pick one for each other that we have to do. Are you doing that fish thing?
Yes.
Anyway, we have to pick one for each other to do. That did not.
That was your phone.
Anyway.
Probably bitch face again. Anyway, sorry, but anyway.
So we're gonna have to pick one. It's been a minute of me explaining to this because I'm laughing at your face. Okay. Anyway, so we're gonna
Is it sexy?
I'm gonna pick one of these names for him to do, and then he's gonna pick one for me, and then once each person does one impression of that person, like if I give you, like, here's an example, I'll give you Lucifer, you give me Sam, and then I give you Lucifer, we can't use Lucifer anymore.
Okay.
And we can't use the same quote, and or phrase, or something we made up. Okay, ready? I'm gonna give you one first.
Okay.
Do impression of your dad.
Damn it, I just had one. You're not shooting that gun, right? Heard that one way too many times.
Okay, next one, pick one for me. You can't use the same one in a row.
Sam.
Sam. I lost my shoe.
That's really fucking accurate, too.
He looks so sad. He's like, I lost my shoe.
Mm-hmm.
And then somehow he got that shoe back. Okay, for you, do Lucifer.
Good morning, Vietnam. I didn't do that really well, but whatever. Anyway.
Okay. Do...
Wait, no, it's my turn.
Your turn. Okay. Go.
Balthazar.
Balthazar. If you're not sure who he is, he's a jerk. And a half. And it sucks because he's British.
I really have to burp. Go.
Why are you leaving things all over the damn table? I don't even know. That one's been added. Okay. Who do we... Okay, alright. Do... Gabe.
Do you have any suckers?
Not for you.
Okay.
Why don't you just go look at the Winchesters? They're a bunch of suckers. It's true when you know it. Okay, next.
Mary.
Yeah.
Do my mom. Oh my god. I did not say that.
I don't believe that's possible, yet she's dead.
Shut up. It's not the way that I wanted it to sound.
Okay. Sammy?
Oh my god.
Sammy?
Okay, no, stop.
Anyway,
I'm not crying.
Dean, man up.
Shut up.
Do it for Sammy.
Whoa, you're drawing on me. Anyway, it's an H.
Didn't let me finish.
It's an H. Probably was gonna write high. Would you stop it?
Nope, keep going.
To me. Not here now, but
I think that was a pretty accurate Dean.
hee. Nice.
Anyway. Okay. Okay, so you've done Gabriel, Lucifer. I've done Sam. You've done yourself.
No, you've done yourself.
No.
No, you've done me. I said that wrong.
I've done Mary. Do Crowley. Will you stop doing that on the camera?
No.
I'll keep drawing on you.
Please don't. It's permanent marker. Seriously, look at that.
I think it's beautiful. Anyway, Crowley.
I don't have one for Crowley.
Really?
Yes, really. That's how.
How about he's British, so
I think yes, it's kind of boring.
I think that looks cool. Just think while you've been getting down to dirty, otherwise you could have been getting down to this Dean. My X-Men. If you don't know what that is, you gotta watch the Hollywood show. Turn British, but I don't care.